In a quiet village, there lived a boy named Arjun and his loyal dog Bruno. They were always together, exploring, playing, and dreaming of adventure. One day, deep in the forest, something unusual appeared. A hidden path glowing with a strange and magical light. With courage in his heart, Arjun stepped forward, not knowing what awaited him. A world beyond imagination, filled with wonder and mystery. Strange creatures watched them as if guarding ancient secrets. But not everything in this world was friendly. When danger came close, Bruno stood strong. Together, they found a light powerful enough to change everything. The path home appeared, guiding them back safely. And in that moment, Arjun understood true friendship is the greatest magic of all.